Realme Narzo 50A may launch in India next week. Realme Narzo 50A has been in discussion for the past few days. Meanwhile, this video from the leaks that the Narzo 50 series can be introduced in India between September 20th and September 24th. Apart from this, Realme India and Europe CMO Francis Wong have also confirmed the upcoming handset. Wong has given the hardware details of Realme Narzo 50A in a tweet. Moneycontrol has told a report quoting industry sources that Realme can launch the Narzo 50 series in India between September 20th and September 24th. With Narzo 50A, the company can launch Narzo 50 and Narzo 50 Pro smartphones. According to the report, these devices will be launched in 4G and 5G variants. Along with this, the Narzo 50i is also expected to be launched. It has also been said in the report that two new AIoT products of Reality will also debut on this day. One of these could be Realme Band 2. Later it will be sold during the Flipkart Big Billion Days sale. There is no information about other products. But, it is expected that this robot can be a vacuum cleaner. Wong has also confirmed the hardware of the Narzo 50A in one of his tweets. He has said that the entry-level smartphone of the Narzo 50 series will get a MediaTek Helio G85 processor. This new phone can be launched in India as an upgrade to the existing Narzo 30A. It was launched in the country at an initial price of 8,999 rupees. Talking about the specifications, it has been learned from the leaks that the Realme 50A will have a triple rear camera setup and it will come with a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. It can also get an 8MP selfie camera and a USB Type-C charging port.